In this section, I will present section-wise technical audit requirements. Section Sample. Sample room, pattern and marker making. The sample room fully equipped to produce samples that are representative of factory's specific product time. Number 2. A skilled sample room technician available and capable of modification of patterns when required and responsible for pattern handover to production floor with record available. CAD system and plot are used for grading, consumption and marker, and bulk patterns and markers checked for accuracy. Sample room fabrics, trims, accessories well organized in sample rooms and lighting adequate, 100-foot candle and above. Shrinkage test conducted for each bulk lot received. Section Warehouse. The requirements are: Number 1. All fabrics, yarn, trims, accessories to be organized and remain covered, protected until ready for use and has required space storage using pallet or rack. Product identification, FIFO or LIFO system, storage item tracking and inventory system. Mold prevention system, relative humidity less than 55% with controlling measure. Warehouse, trims, accessories and inspection. Approved trim card for every running style. Inspection process appropriate for bulk trims, accessories and finishing trims. Cartoons and quality, weight, color are verified and inspector strength with lighting. 100-foot candle. Rejected items isolation and keep an isolated area. Third party or supplier internal test report of all trims and accessories. Complaint procedure against the failed product, the supplier and replace show document. Warehouse fabric inspection and process or procedures. Appropriate fabric inspection systems, procedure and report. Follow 4-point or 10-point systems with fabric inspector strength. Shrinkage test accuracy. Light box with calibration for shade evaluation, color evaluation, shade grading as per customer requirement. Cutting, spreading, cutting and fusing. Work in process balance between cutting and production output to adequately fulfill daily production requirement. Acceptable process in place for adequate fabric utilization. Pattern measurement for verification. Grain line, notch indication, cut mold, strip and check matching indication. Acceptable spreading methodology. Number 6. Set variance controlled with spreading process. Number 7. Proper control for matching cutting of pattern fabrics such as plates and strips. Cut pitches properly inspected and numbered. Preventive maintenance systems and report. Cutting has its own approved sample for reference. Factory have adequate storage for bulk card inventory. Fusing and heat seal quality acceptable. Machines regularly calibrated and records maintained. Interlining bonding strength, temperature, time and pressure test and records are available. After wash, quality is checked and record kept. Lighting level 60 to 80 above at cutting table and lighting adequate 100-foot candle and above inspection area. Spreading quality control, and cutting quality control with report. Production process. On-site industrial engineering department adequately and effective. Production planning department. In-house pre-production meeting and pilot runs conducted for each style prior to bulk production, and meeting attended by relevant factory personnel. Approved samples available on every line for review, and sample comments translated into local language. Production line well balanced and set up in systematic process without bottleneck. Number 6. Proper swing allowance versus machine and making before wash measurement specimen, and overlock machine fabric trimming check. Keep guide for maintaining proper seam allowance. Approve trim card and approve sample for each running style. Production floor all organized and clean, and aisles clear, free of clutter. Adequate systems used to isolate defective or repaired products. Lighting adequate, 100-foot candle and above at middle point. Number 11. On-site mechanics who regularly maintain all machines and maintenance record well kept. Proper maintenance department equipped with adequate tools and necessary equipment. Roaming QC auditing systems, in-process quality checkpoint, defects, type record, and alteration. Garments measurements and construction checking, comparing with approved samples and customer provided specimen. Inspection process. Factory have inspection system at inland and inland and measuring complete garment. If garments or garments parts and constructed at subcontracted facilities or embroidery, printing or laundry functions and handled at off-premises facilities, are returned garments or panels properly inspected before they are released back to bulk production bulk production workflow again. QA/QC department have an independent reporting structure and all QA/QC trained regularly. Factory has a complete set of their buyer's technical manual hard copy and knows how to obtain updated information. Factory conduct inspection on daily completed garments after swing line using bioequivalent or tighter, and does factory take measure on audit failure. Lighting adequate, 100-foot candle and above. Alteration defective garments handled in all section. Red box for defective garment storage. Factory has sufficient well-equipped inspection room. Checking garments for construction, seam quality and overall garments appearance. Seam puckering, SPI, stitch tension, needle mark and all other stitching quality. Section finishing, repairing and packaging. Packaging is standard and samples readily available for reference. 100% final checking after finishing, and is there random audit done after finishing, and 100% measurement for key points and audit done after finishing. An organized and effective workflow in finishing area and acceptable the WIP level. Lighting adequate, 100-foot candle for inspection and 60 to 80 for other areas. Factory conduct final audit based on same or tighter equal of buyer. Alteration or defective garments handles and effective stain management with a repair operation on site. The infrastructure and housekeeping. The storage space for packaged goods enough as per the factory capacity, and procedure in place to remove uncut thread and loose threads and foreign materials. Mold prevention systems, relative humidity percentage and controlling systems, packaging, inventory and delivery shipment systems, moisture percentage checking in garments, carton weight report, scan and packed system. Thank you. Any questions?